Welcome back, Gunners. We are going to begin this journey. You guys know what time it is. It's time to deliver Kobe to Jeff, the winner in North Carolina. We've got our trailer here. Truck's all hooked up. We did some maintenance on the truck. Changed the oil, swapped out the tires. What else did we do? Got some windshield wiper fluid. Gave it a car wash or whatever, a truck wash. Just got everything comfortable for us to take this long haul. So it says it's about 10 hours away. We figure with gas stops and stuff like that, call it 11 hours. We'll just chill. We'll take it easy. We've got our Airbnb set up for Friday. But this is going to be an exciting experience. So I'll be keeping you guys posted on the road, basically. We've still got to pick up Lefty, stuff like that. I want to kind of get that stuff out of the way in the beginning so you know what to look forward to. But other than that, there it is. Kobe is headed to North Carolina. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
That's it, boys. Last time of Kobe being on Yonkers or New York Street. That's it. I'm getting ready to load this guy up in here. Set that camera up there. You guys will see me drive it in. Let's hope I don't scratch nothing. That went pretty smooth. I got lucky there. Nothing happened. I'm gonna get ready to strap this guy up. If you're wondering where Trappy is, I don't know. Maybe you can help me. I can't find him. I can't find him. He's probably somewhere in a pot shop, smoking his brain cells away. But I'm here. I'm here. I'm gonna strap this sucker up, get Kobe going, and begin this journey. All secured, guys. All secured. Jeff, we are on our way. I almost tripped. We're on our way though, bro. We're leaving real soon, Jeff. Can't wait to see your reaction on this one, but Kobe strapped up. Put the dealer plate on there so he could drive it once we get there. We'll get a nice POV of him doing it. Pause. But yeah. Stay in the loop.
Was he telling them my inside story how I take that?
I didn't even have to say it. I didn't even have to say it.
This is our first road trip vlog, right?
Yeah.
This is gonna be fire.
So we gotta get some gas. We gotta check the tires.
Oh no, I got gas.
No, the other gas. This gas. And then we gotta get Lefty.
Yeah, we out. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. Make a quick stop to get some corn. You guys have seen me do this all the time. You got the drum trap? You get my boy an extra 5 gallons of fuel. I put it down here somewhere. Where is it? He's in here somewhere. Oh, there he is. You fill this sucker up with 5 gallons of corn. Jesus Christ, that car sounds like poop. I'm trying to keep the cussing down. Oh, custy. Anyway, get my boy 5 gallons of corn so he can have some fun. Okay, that's loaded up. The trap lock this. Oh God, I was about to lose my mind. I'd be quick to blame trap for stuff. I ain't gonna hold you. I gotta work on that. But anyway, we got 5 gallons here of corn. There's a half a tank in it now, but he told me that the corn station is about 45 minutes away, so I'd rather him just at least enjoy the car for the weekend. He'll have enough fuel. There's a half tank. This will top it off, and my boy Jeff is going to get to enjoy this car over the weekend. So that's it. Off to Jersey now. We got to get Lefty. I was just on my Instagrams, and I was telling Trappy, because I seen that Michael Jordan had funded some medical clinic, and I told Trap, if I see Michael Jordan in Charlotte, I'm gonna say, "What's good, you bitch ass nigga?" Trap said, why? How many people you think?
Gonna call
Like,
him bitch ass.
yeah, and not only
gonna
that,
talk to us.
yeah, he gonna talk to us. What you say, young? What you say, you little motherfucker?
Yeah, what?
I'm like, nah, man, I just wanted to get your attention. I'm pretty sure every
Now
time
that I got your attention.
Now that I got your attention, yo, I'm a big fan, man. You a
Watched
legend,
all the
man.
series, man.
I watched everything, man. I had all the video games, man. Lakers versus Bulls. Bulls versus Portland. Yeah, I was there, man. But there's no way that celebrities
What
like
was your favorite series between the Bulls and the other? Mine was Utah.
oh,
The
it's
Pistons was good too though.
nah, yeah.
They were damn near fighting. They were going 12 rounds.
Yeah, the bad boys.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, nah, I'm gonna say, yeah, definitely. I like the. See, they didn't go to the finals. It was Eastern Conference, but Knicks versus Bulls.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah,
That was a
physical,
good,
real physical.
Yeah, it was a good series. But yeah, right. Like if you see Michael Jordan, you ain't gonna be like, "Yo, Mike, I'm a big fan." How many times has he heard that?
100,000.
Yo, Mike, you
100,000.
bitch ass nigga, what's good?
He gonna turn around. What's poppin', kid? Oh shit.
What's up, you little motherfucker? I don't know why we
You think
thought
he got
that.
a hoop on? You think he got a earring hoop on?
Yeah, definitely. Big ass hoop.
He ain't let go of that hoop
Nah,
yet.
he ain't let it go yet.
Since
That
the,
shit,
since the Porsche.
that shit probably worth like $4 million. $4 million. But I'll tell you one thing, man. For leaving at 5 o'clock right now,
We getting to the bridge.
we
man.
already.
I didn't want
we're
to
already-
say it.
Yeah,
damn
we're
it.
already damn near at the bridge. Goodbye, New York. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss all this beautiful food. All these beautiful people in New York. I'm gonna miss you, New York. God, please let North Carolina be good, Trav. Let the food be good, Trav.
I hope so.
Please, God. Come on now.
I feel like North Carolina got like deep fried armadillo. Like that'd be like a thing. Like yo, you had any other armadillo?
Yeah, or deep fried pickles or something like that. Something weird
Damn
like
it.
that. I'm gonna miss you, New York. Alright, Gunners, we are on the side. On some side street here in Elizabeth. We are waiting for Lefty to get his bag. He thinks Trappy forgot the marijuana.
Yeah, we're
so
gonna
he's
stress him
gonna
out.
be
We're
pissed.
gonna see him pissed. Yeah, we gotta get a clip of him pissed.
Yo, I gotta get him. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get his ass pissed. Pause. But we're literally just waiting for him to get the freaking bag so we can hit the road.
Almost here, Trappy.
Almost see Lefty.
Almost.
I hope he falls for that prank. I would love to see it.
Yo, first time seeing it, what you think? Ew. Does it do it justice? Pop the hood, pop the hood. You gotta see under the hood. Gotta see under the hood.
Wow. Shit looks 3D ain't on high right now.
Yo, shout out to the carbon bag you got though. That's fire. Check this out. Lefty ain't never seen Kobe. Crazy, right?
Wow. Killed the dude.
Yeah, those are CTR.
It's VTEC. They got VTEC?
Nah, it's VTEC. It's VTEC motor for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, but those are CTRs, real CTRs, $800 CTRs. Yeah,
that's
those
fine,
that
that's
way.
Wow.
Amazon lit, but CTR highlight. You see us. Airport shoes.
Wow. This is, man.
Update. Delaware Bridge.
And I'm hungry. How about you, Left?
You know, I'm always hungry.
Toll up ahead. $5 for the toll?
Easy pass. Charge it to the game. Jets.
Yo.
They fixing the Jets.
That's fine.
Okay, I don't know why I always listen to Lefty when he's hungry. I don't belong in places like this. I don't deserve to eat that kind of food. That thing is disgusting. It was bland, it was awful. It almost ruined this trip. So with that being said, I'm done with this vlog. We're about 6 hours out from our destination, and that's it. This Fridays, don't come to this one in Delaware. Next to the one in BJ's, don't do it. Like, comment, keep gunning.